The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clark County in west central Ohio, Greene County in southwestern Ohio, and Madison County in central Ohio until 5:36 p.m. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday, a severe thunderstorm producing damaging winds was located along a line extending from Fairborn, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Clark County, Greene County, and Madison County. Hazard: 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts and tennis ball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. This severe thunderstorm will be near Springfield at around 4:54 p.m. Locations impacted include Harmony, South Vienna, Somerford, London, and Lafayette. This includes I-70 in Ohio between exits 62 and 72. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.